full example. So here we are having uh, five different jobs we are having. Five different jobs having five different profit. Keep in mind, we are having five different jobs having five different profit, and all five different jobs having five different waiting times. So we are having deadlines. Deadlines mean by the waiting time. So the job can wait until that time, then after it will be expired. So within the deadline, if you are completing a particular job, what is the profit we are getting, that we have to identify. According to the profit, we have to do the project and we have to complete the job. Okay. So here, every job will take single unit of time. So all the jobs, whatever they are given, it will take single unit of time. Okay. So for example, we can consider one Xerox shop. So on Xerox shop, he is starting the Xerox shop at 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 11 a.m. to 12 a.m., 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. So 1 p.m.
Excuse
So
me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, some people wanted to join, so they're waiting.
Okay. So here, whatever the profit we are getting, as I told, the Xerox shop is open at 10 a.m. until 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, we are having 3 hours of working time. So we are having five people when the shop is opened at 10 a.m. There are five people are coming, and each and every people have their own deadline. The first person can wait for 1 hour, second person can wait for 2 hours, and third person can wait for 3 hours. In this case, we are having let's consider only three-person. We are having three different deadline for those three people. First person can wait for 1 hour. So if the person is waiting time for 1 hour, means we have to schedule the job for that particular person from 9 to 10. For the second person, 2 hours waiting time, so that we can able to make the a job for the particular person from uh, 10 to 11. Okay, because his waiting time will be 2 hours. Okay, third person will wait for 3 hours, so that we can schedule the job for third person at 12 to 1. Okay, so according to that, you have to check the profit. What is the profit we are getting? So that what our problem consideration. So our problem consideration is, we are going to deal with number of jobs. So every job have its own deadline, and every job have the profit for that particular thing. So we have a number of jobs, a deadline for the job, and profit for the job, and every job will take single unit of time for processing the job. These are all things we have to understand. With use of this only, we can able to move on. Okay. So I will show you the problem now. So we can check how the problem will be solved for this. Why strength is very less today? What is the reason? What is the reason for the strength? CR, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So,
So a few people are waiting, sir.
Yeah, admitted. Why you people are late? Why you people are late? I shared the link at 8:25 itself. No, why you are not joining at the time? Why you are coming late? Hmm? So I hope you can able to see the screen what I shared with you. Are able to see the screen? Students are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So job sequencing with deadline, with this particular problem will become under greedy method. So greedy method we are discussing for the entire model 3. Greedy method, with use of greedy method, we discussed knapsack problem, and previously we discussed about coin change problem, all these things. So this particular problem also come under greedy method. So let's see, we are having totally n jobs. So total number of jobs are n, consider as n. So we are having n jobs here. So in this n jobs, what and all the things we are checking? We are checking what is the profit of the job and what is the deadline for that particular job. What is the deadline for that particular job? All these things we are mentioning here. So let's see the starting. So job n is equal to 5. Job n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. We are having 5 different jobs. So profit of job 1 is 20 and deadline for the job 1 is 2. So 2 means 2 hours we can take. Okay, 2 hours we can take. So J2, job 2, we are having the profit is 15 and the deadline will be 2. Deadline will be 2. Mean by 2 hours. So profit is 15. So 15 means we can take as 15 rupees. So 20 rupees 2 hours, 15 rupees 2 hours, like that. J3, job J3, 10 rupees we are having 10. The profit is 10 and the deadline will be 1. So 1 hour you can take. So job 4, we are having profit as 5 and 3 hours we have to wait. 3 hours is the deadline. J5, the profit is 1 and 3 hours waiting time. Mean by every job having its own profit and it having its own deadline. Okay. So this is what the input they will give in the problem statement. For this particular input, we have to identify the solution. The solution what we have to identify, that has to be made in the form of table. Okay. First I will make you understand how the particular solution we are identifying. Then we can go for the table. Okay. So whenever you are seeing the problem, you have to put the table and you have to identify the solution. Table I am having, I will show you after making you understanding the process first. Okay. So as I told, each and every job will take 1 unit of time. Each and every job will take 1 unit of time for completing the job. So every job will take 1 unit of time. So job 1 also will take 1 unit of time. So it's constant time. So no job will take 2 units of time, like that. Every job will work with same unit of time. So as per the given problem, what is the maximal deadline we are having? What is the maximal deadline we are having? As per the given problem, what is the maximal deadline we are having? Can you tell me, students?
20.
Please louder. What is the maximal deadline we are having?
3.
As per the given problem? 3. So 3 is the maximal deadline we are having. So the maximal waiting time we can mention as 3. Okay. 3 is the maximal waiting time. So whenever you are viewing the problem, whenever you are dealing with the problem, you have to check out with the maximal waiting time. According to the maximal waiting time only, we can able to start to solve that particular problem. So here the maximal waiting time is 3. So that we are putting the maximal waiting time for the particular problem is 3. Okay. Beyond 3, nobody will wait. So all the job peoples, job 1, job 2, there are 5 peoples we consider. All the peoples will wait, having some waiting time. In that, maximal waiting time is 3. After 3 hours, nobody will wait. We will lose our business. So that we have to identify the job has to be picked properly, and we have to get the maximal profit in the given job sequence. So how are we going to deal with this particular? Yeah.
Within 1 unit of time, how all the jobs will complete, sir? There are 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, no, sir, deadline.
The 1 unit of time, what I mentioned is, as per the given thing, as I told, 2 hours, 2 hours, I told, no, 1 unit of time in by 1 hour. So 1 hour only I mentioned as 1 unit of time. Okay. So for understanding purpose, I told 2 hours. So they are mentioning in the given problem statement, they given us 1 unit of time. as per the given discussion, we can take 1 hour for completing a job. So every job will take 1 hour to complete its tasks. Okay, got my point?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
understand this? Okay. Now let's move for the solution. So step one, we are starting. So step one, what we are doing, we are making totally 3 hours of maximal time. So we are starting from 0 hour to first 1 hour, and 1 hour to 2 hour, then 2 hour to 3 hour. So like that, we are making the diagram. So 5 p.m. If I am starting the work at 5 p.m., 5 to 6 p.m. 1 hour, 6 to 7 p.m. 1 hour, 7 to 8 p.m. 1 hour. Okay. So in this case, I have the job one, what I'm having is waiting time of 2 hours. So what does this mean by the job one person can wait until 7 p.m. He will wait for 2 hours. So 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. he will wait. So what I'm doing, what is the profit of the job one? That is 20. So what I'm doing is I'm doing the job one between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. That is mean by first hour to second hour. Okay. So job one will be done in between first hour to second hour. Got my point? So the deadline for the job one is 2. So the person can wait for 2 hours. So we are having 3 hours of waiting time. In this, whichever I going to do the job one, I have to check. So in this 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So in this time period, I have to do the job one because the waiting time of job one is 2 hours. I can't able to do in the third hour timing. So that I am doing in 1 to 2. So between 1 to 2, I am doing the job one. Okay. Next to that, we are moving for the step 2. So step 2, we are taking J2. So step 2, what we are taking, the job 2 we are taking. Job 2 also having 2 hours waiting time. The profit of that particular job is 15. The profit of the particular job is 15. Okay. So here, the waiting time of the deadline of the particular job 2 is 2. So that what we are doing, we are just checking whether it's possible to allot in 1 to 2 because the waiting time of the job 2 also 1 to 2. So we can able to allot the job in the second 1 hour. It's possible to allot in the second 1 hour. It's not possible because job 1 is already allotted in the second 1 hour. So that we can able to make it in the first 1 hour. So his waiting time is 2 hours. We are finishing his job in the first 1 hour. Okay. So 0 to 1, we are completing the first 1 hour. We are completing job 2's task. Second 1 hour, we are completing the job 1's task. Okay. Then we are moving for the third job. Third job is what? We are having deadline as 1. We are having deadline as 1. So within 1 hour, you have to complete the third job. Is it possible to allot third job here within the first 1 hour, students? Is it possible to allot the third job in the first 1 hour? Between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., is it possible to allot the third job? Please
Excuse me,
respond.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, some students wanted to join, sir.
So is it possible to allot job 1, job 3 in the place of 0 to 1? Is it possible, students? Can you respond me? Can you respond me? Is it possible to allot job 3 in the place of 5 to 6 p.m.? Did you understand or not?
No, sir.
You are not understanding or you are telling the answer?
Not understanding, sir.
So did you understand the problem?
Yes, sir.
Everyone please respond. Did you understand the problem? So this is very important problem in module 3. Please repeat. If you able to understand the problem, then only we can able to go for the solution. Please try to tell me whether you understand the problem. So problem is we are having 5 jobs. All 5 jobs we are having profits, and every job having deadline. And we are having a execution time for doing the particular job. We have a time. So let's consider this as a 1 hour. 1 hour time we can able to do for a particular job. Every job will take 1 hour to complete. So deadline for every job. So job 1 will take 2 hours deadline. Mean by job 1 person can wait for 2 hours. Job 2 person can wait for 2 hours. Job 3 person can wait for 1 hour. Job 4 person can wait for 3 hours. And job 5 person can wait for 3 hours. Now, what is the maximal time? Maximal waiting time, that is 3 hours. So maximal waiting time we are taking. So the 3 hours we are taking. And with use of the 3, we are plotting a diagram according to the hours. So 0 to 1 hour, total 3 hours, no? So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So total 3 hours. So first 1 hour is 0 to 1. Second 1 hour is 1 to 2. Third 1 hour is 2 to 3. So how many hours we are having in this? How many hours we are having in this?
3 hours.
3 hours. So how many jobs we can able to perform? How many jobs we can able to perform?
3,
Every
sir.
job,
3.
3 jobs. Very good. So every job will complete within 1 hour. So we are totally having 5 jobs. Among 5 jobs, we can able to complete only 3 jobs. So which 3 jobs we are taking with maximal profit? That was our solution. Got my point? Got my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, job 1 can finish in 5 p.m. to
Wait
6
a
p.m. also,
minute.
no?
Wait a minute. I will tell you. So first job 1 we are taking. Job 1, the waiting time will be 2. So 2 hours the job 1 person can wait. Okay. So we are taking the slot. So 0 to 1 is the first hour. 1 to 2 is the second hour. So job 1 person can wait for 2 hours. So we can able to give the solution. We can complete this job at the second 1 hour. Okay. So we are putting the job 1 in 1 to 2. Okay. So in spite of giving in 0 to 1, his waiting time is 2 hours. So that second 1 hour we are completing his job. Got my point?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
in the second hour also, job 1 person is waiting only, no, sir?
Where you are telling?
Sir,
Where you are
J1
telling?
is Sir, J1 is having 2 unit time as a waiting time, no, sir?
No, J1, every job having 1 unit time for completing the task, and it having 2 unit time, 2 hours for waiting time. Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Sir, J1 will start from 2 to 3, no, sir? Like from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. It should wait till 2, no, sir?
No, this is 2 hours. 2 hours mean by 0 to 1 is first 1 hour, 1 to 2 is second 1 hour. Here only 2 hours will get over. No, this is third hour. 2 to 3 is third hour. His waiting
Sir,
time is
that's
only
what
2
I'm saying,
hours.
sir. That's what I'm saying. It need to wait for 2 hours, right? So 0 to 1, 1 hour, then 1 to 2, it is 2 hours. Then
So
from
we are
2 to 3, it should start, no, sir?
no 2 to 3 it will come as third hour. No, 2 to 3 will come as third hour. No, his waiting time until 2 hours only. 0 to 2 only he will wait. He will not go beyond 2. 2 to 3 will become as third hour. So this is first hour, this is first hour, this is second hour, and this is third hour.
Sir, we can take from 5 to 6 also, no, sir?
5 to 6, how you will take? The maximal waiting time is only 3 hours for all the job people. No,
No, sir. Deadline is given as 2
5 to
no,
6,
sir.
5 to 6,
Then
5 to 6 you can take, 5 to 6 you can take. But here the waiting time is 2, so that we are giving the slot for him for the second 1 hour. Second 1 hour you can give the slot. When you are considering the job 1, the job 1 person can wait for 2 hours. So you can give the slot for the second 1 hour.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Did you
can we
got
give it to
still
5 to 6 or not, sir? We cannot give, sir, for 5 to 6.
you can give as per the job sequence. When we are finding the final solution, we can do J1 at first and J2 at second. The job sequence finally we will write as J2 J1, and then this solution also we will write. So while writing we will interchange this also, because J1 and J2 having same waiting time, same deadline, so that we can write J1 at first and J2 as second. So as per understanding, when we are taking the first job, we are putting in the second slot, 6 to 7 p.m. Still doubts, or did you got the idea? We can move on, or I will explain again.
Move on, sir.
Girls, those who asked doubts, are you having clarity now? Girls, are you having clarity now?
Yes, sir.
So here she told 2 to 3 we can allot. 2 to 3 will come as third hour. So third hour we are not able to allot, because the waiting time of the particular person will be 2 hours only. So within 2 you have to allot the job 1. For that reason only we are not going here. Okay. So here job 1 will be allotted. So job 1 will be allotted in the 6 to 7 p.m. Next to that, we are taking for job 2. Job 2 also having 2 waiting time. So 2 hours waiting time. We are going for the second hour. Second hour already job 1 is allotted, so that we are completing the job 2 in the first 1 hour. So 0 to 1 we are allotting job 2. Is this clear? Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So job 2, job 1 we are allotted. Now we have to move for the next job. So next job having 1 hour waiting time. So only 1 hour waiting time. For job 3 there is only 1 hour waiting time. So within 0 to 1 we have to allot the job 3. Is it possible to allot within 1 hour?
No, sir.
Why?
J2
Because
is
job.
taken.
J2 is already allotted in the place of 0 to 1, so that we are not able to do J3. So J3 we have to cancel. J3 we are not taking actually. Next we are
So
considering
J2
J4.
deadline is second hour, no, sir. How can you put it in?
Don't fix second hour. Don't fix second hour. 2 means 2 hours waiting time. For example, Raj and Ram is coming. Raj having 2 hours waiting time. Ram also having 2 hours waiting time. Okay. What I am doing is I am just doing Ram work at second 1 hour. So 1 to 2 I am doing the Ram's work, and Raj's work I am doing in the first 1 hour. 2 is the waiting time. 2 hours he will wait. Both will wait for 2 hours. So first 1 hour I am doing J2's job. Second 1 hour I am doing J1's job. That one I am doing here. So J2 job I am doing in the first 1 hour. J1 job I am doing in the second 1 hour. So both having 2 hours waiting time. So within first 2 hours I am completing the job 1 and job 2's work. Still confusions, or did you got clarity?
Got it, sir.
Got it, sir.
Now job 3 is not possible to put there, because job 3 is 1 hour job. 1 hour job is not possible to allot, because 0 to 1 already allotted with J2. So we are not able to allot any other job here. So we are discarding J3. We are not taking J3 job. We are going for J4 job. When you are going for J4 job, what is the thing here? We are having 3 hours of waiting time. So here 3 hours of waiting time we can able to allot in the third hour. 2 to 3 we can able to allot J4. Okay, so first 1 hour allotted with J2, second 1 hour allotted with J1, third 1 hour is not yet allotted, so that it's a empty place. In that place, we are allotting J4 job. Okay, we are allotting J4 job. So J2, J1, J4. When you are moving for the next job, J5, J5 also having 3 hours waiting time. Here, all the slots are filled. So all the slots are filled with 3 jobs. So J2, J1 and J4 we are already filled. So there is no place for filling J5, so that we are omitting J5. So J3 and J5 we are omitting. Only 3 jobs we are taking, that is to be J2, J1 and J4. So the profit of J2 is 20, the profit of J1 is 15, the profit of J4 is 5, the total profit is 40 we are getting. So as he asked one doubt, no, J2, J1, J4. The sequence can be taken as J2, J1, J4. Otherwise, it can be taken as J1, J2, J4. So 2 sequence we can able to perform this job. Any doubts?
Sir, in the place of J2, why can't we take J3, sir? It has 1 hour as its deadline, no, sir? Why did you take only J2?
Now, according to the sequence, we have to select the job. If we are starting the job from J3, as you told, we can allot J3. But we are starting from the job 1 we are considering. So when we are starting from job 1, we have to allot job 1 first. Then only we can able to move for job 2. So it will go in the sequence order. So in this order, when we are allotting the jobs, our solution will become like this.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts, please ask me. Don't sit with doubts. So 2 sequence we are getting the solution. We can do job 2 as at first, job 1 at second, job 4 as third. The same way we can do job 1 at first and job 2 as second and job 4 as third. So these are the 2 sequences we can able to do the jobs. And when you are doing the sequence, 20 is the profit of J2, 15 is the profit of J1, 5 is the profit of J4. Adding all these things, we are getting 40 as answer. So this is our profit. Please ask me if you have doubt. I am going to the table. If you understand this, then only you can able to understand the table format. Any doubt, students, please respond. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So let's go for the table. The same thing what we see in there, that only we represent in the form of table. So which job consider, slot assign, solution, profit. So these are the 4 columns you have to draw when you are getting the problem. Please keep in mind, whenever you are getting the problem, you have to do like this. Okay, job consider, I am taking job 1. So job 1, I am doing in first 1, 2. So what is the slot I am doing job 1? I am doing job 1 in 1, 2. So 1, 2 I am writing here. Okay, 1, 2 I am writing here. So solution is job 1. I am completing job 1. So what is the profit I am getting for job 1? 20 I am getting. Okay, so this first row, are you able to get it, students? First row, what I wrote, are you able to get it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now job 2, J2. So J2, what we are doing, we are assigning the J2 in the 0 to 1 slot. No, 0 to 1 slot, we are assigning J2. So how we are making actually 0 to 1, 1, 2. 0 to 1, we are taking the first slot. 1 to 2, we are allotting the second slot. So 0 to 1, we are writing, and 1 to 2. So J2 will come in 0 to 1, and J1 will be come in 1 to 1. No, so that both we are writing here, and we are getting the solution for J1 and J2. The profit for both is 20 plus 15. So that is to be 35. Total will become as 35. Any doubts in writing the second row, students?
No, sir.
Okay. So when we are taking J3 having 1 hour time, so we are not able to allot J3 anywhere. Okay. J3 having 1 hour time, already 1 hour we allotted J2. So there is no possibility of allotting J3, so that we are not considering J3. So I'm putting cross mark here. So the same will become as it is 0, 1 and 1, 2. Both will come as it is. The same job 1 and job 2 will be come as it is, and 20 plus 15 will be come as it is. So J3 we are not considering. We have to put cross mark. Any doubts here in this row?
Sir,
Any
we
doubts,
can
students?
write J2 comma J1 also, no, sir. That solution second.
J2 comma. Yeah, J2 comma
J1.
J1 also you can write. You can write. You can write. So J4 we are taking. So J4 we are considering, when you are considering J4, that is allotted in 2, 3. J4 is allotted in 2, 3. So how we will write 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 you have to write. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 you have to write. Then we are getting solution for J1, J2, J4. So J1 is 20, J2 15, and J4 5. So totally we are getting 40. Are you understand this J4 row, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you are taking J5 also waiting time is 3, but all the slots are already filled. So we are having only 3-hour slots. All the 3-hour slots are filled here only. So we are not considering J5. So the same what we are having for J4, that will be repeat again. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, J1, J2, J4. The total profit what we got is 40, that we are writing here. So here we are just writing the total profit, and we are writing the sequence of job selection J1, J2, J4. Another way is J2, J1, J4. So 2 ways of sequence you can able to complete the job. So this is to be job sequence problem, students. Did you got idea on this? Any doubts still? Any doubts still, students?
No, sir.
Okay. So take this particular problem, what I showed here, and identify the profit and job sequence, students. Total number of jobs are 7. J1, J2, J3, J4, J5, J6, J7. Profit is 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 12, 5. And deadlines are 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. So what is the maximal deadline here?
12.
What is the maximal deadline here?
12.
4.
4.
Four.
So how many hours we are having totally? How many hours we are having? How many hours we are having, Pa?
4 hours.
Total waiting time hours. Anyone, Router?
4 hours, sir.
4 hours. So how many jobs you can able to do out of 7?
4.
4 jobs. So out of 7 jobs, you can able to do 4 jobs. Which 4 jobs you are doing, that you have to identify, and what is the profit, that you have to tell me. The job sequence and the profit, what you got, that you have to tell me. Make it fast and tell me the answer. Remaining all, it's very simple problem what we solved. Try to solve from your end. Take a paper and pen. Try to solve this problem and tell me the total profit and selected slot in by the job sequence. What the job sequence we are completing the job. What the solution you got. Tell me as early as possible. Waiting for your answers. Anybody not able to understand? Anybody? Those who have doubts, please ask me. I will help you. Don't be ideal. If you are hiding yourself, then this will be a problem for you. You will not able to clear this paper because full of algorithms and problematic things.
Sir,
You
90, sir.
have to discuss with me.
Total profit.
90 is the profit. What is the job sequence?
J1, J2, J3, sir.
J1, J2, J3. Only 3 jobs.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 105.
I don't know if it's right, sir.
Who got 105? 105 who got?
Me, Swapnil.
Okay. Any other answers?
110, sir.
110, sir.
110. How many jobs you? What is the job sequence for 110?
4, J1, J2, J3, J4.
J1, J2, J3, J4. Okay. Let's see the solution. So we are having totally 4 hours: 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay. So totally how many hours we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. So in this, among 4 hours, we can able to do 4 jobs. Okay, 4 jobs we can able to do. So among 7 jobs, we can able to do 4 jobs. Okay.
Sir,
When you're
120.
taking, I will show the result. You can check the result with me. So J1, we are having deadline as 3. So J1, we are having deadline as 3. So J1 can be allotted in which slot? J1 having waiting time as 3 hours.
0 to
J1
1.
can be allotted in which slot?
0 to 1.
2 to 3.
0 to 1 is the first slot.
2
0
to
to 1 is the
3.
first slot. So we can allot the maximal waiting time slot because we have 3 hours of waiting time. So that we are allotting J1 in the maximal waiting slot. So that is to be 2 to 3. So 2 to 3 we are allotting J1. So 2 to 3 we are allotting J1. So see, J1 is allotted in 2 to 3. What is the next one? What is the next one? J2. J2 having, what is the waiting time? What is the waiting time for J2?
4.
4.
4 hours. So what is the maximal waiting time slot for 4 hours?
3 to 4, sir.
3 to 4. 3 to 4 we are allotting J2. So here 2 to 3 we are already allotted J1. 3 to 4 we are allotting J2. Okay. 3 to 4 we are allotting J2. So we allotted J1 and J2. So 2 jobs are already allotted. So here the free slots are 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Let's see which and all the jobs we can allot in the particular positions. So here, what is the third job? Third job is waiting time is 4 hours. So can you tell me, is it possible to allot in 3 to 4 slot?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Third job is the waiting time is 4 hours. Is it possible to allot in 3 to 4? It's not possible because already J2 is allotted there. Okay. Then we can come to the next slot. Next slot is 2 to 3. Is it possible to allot in 2 to 3? Is it possible to allot in 2 to 3?
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
because which job is allotted in 2 to 3?
J1.
J1 is already allotted in 2 to 3. So when you are coming to the previous slot, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, it's allotted or it's free?
It's free, sir.
It's free, so that we can allot J3. So we can allot J3 in the place of 1 to 2. Okay, because J3 having the maximum waiting time for 4 hours, we are completing the work for J3 in second 1 hour. Okay, second 1 hour, we are completing the work for J3. So that we are allotting J3 in 1 to 2. Okay, so let's see the solution. We are allotting J3 for 1 to 2. Okay, next, what is the next value? What is the next one? We are moving on. We are moving for J4. When you are moving for J4, what is the waiting time for J4?
2.
What is the waiting time for J4? 2 hours. So 2 hours means first 2 hours you can complete the J4. So when you are completing in first 2 hours, so here we are having 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is already allotted with J3. So that the remaining 1 hour slot is 0 to 1, that is free slot. So in this 1 hour slot, we are allotting J4. So what is our sequence? J4,
J3.
Then J3,
J3, J1,
J,
J2.
J1, J2, J4, J3, J1, J2. Okay. So J4 profit is 20, J3 profit is 25, J1 profit is 35, J2 profit is 30. So adding all these things, what we are getting? 110.
110.
Who got 110 pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remaining girl side, anybody got 110?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remaining, please correct your answers. So what is the job sequence? J4, J3, J1, J2 is the job sequence. Okay. Any doubts still? Any doubts still?
No, sir.